Hello, today we are going to discuss some of the important questions of the subject Fundamentals of Web Programming of Class BCA second semester as per the Punjab University syllabus, Chandigarh. Short questions that can come for 1 or 2 marks. You can define internet, intranet, extranet, www, URL, anchor tag, HTML, CSS. Then further, we are having a string object, math object, date object, tokens in JavaScript, and variables in JavaScript. Between that can come for 3, 4, or 5 marks. So internet versus intranet versus extranet, it can come in any way. Static website versus dynamic website. Then ordered list versus unordered list. Then internal versus external style sheet. There can be difference of inline or internal, external or inline. So it can come in any way. Then further HTML versus DHTML. For long questions that can come for 7, 8 or 9 marks, whatever. First is the question number 1, explain structure of HTML with the help of a program. Then what is a list? Explain different type of list with the help of a program. Because this is a practical based subject, so you need to write program for each and every question. Must remember this thing. For list, I have written in the bracket, you need to define unordered list, ordered list, and the definition list. Next question, how to create a table in HTML. So do all the attributes of a table and make a single program. Then what are the two ways to link a document in HTML? So it can be done with the help of external document reference or internal or external both. So you need to write program for both. Then what is image map? This is also one of the important question and you must write program for this. The next comes what is a frame and how is it useful in HTML, and further write a program. How to add image in HTML document, and you write all the attributes for this particular program. What is a cascading style sheet? Explain its types. So in this you need to define internal, external, inline style sheet. Then what is a form and how to create a form? Then you need to learn all its attributes because there can be a practical question also in the paper. Then what is a JavaScript? Explain its features and details. Explain control structure in JavaScript. What is an array in JavaScript and write a program for that. What is a function in JavaScript? Again write a program for this one and explain core language objects in detail. Further, built-in objects and this string math date object also I have written in the short question also, and there can be a long question also for this particular topic. What is Dreamweaver? Explain its features. How to create a website in Dreamweaver? You need to write steps for that. How to insert table and list in Dreamweaver. Then how to add links in Dreamweaver. Explain open source third-party tools in detail. So all the best to all the students.